We are finally at the school. Thank you for the fast drive.
You are welcome, Claire. The roads were very quiet today.
That is lucky for me. I have many lessons this morning.
Do you have everything you need? You have a lot of bags.
Yes, I have my books, I have my keys, and my phone.
That is very good. Teaching is a very busy job.
It is, but I love it. My students are very nice children.
How many children are in your class? Is the class big?
I have 25 children. They are very energetic today.
Wow, that is a lot. You are a very patient teacher.
I try my best every day. I like to see them learn.
The price for the ride is $10 today.
Here is the money. I am putting it on the seat.
Thank you, Claire. Do you need help with the door?
No, I am okay. I am opening it right now.
Please be careful. There is a bike near the car.
I see it. Thank you for the warning, Leo.
You are a very polite passenger. I like that a lot.
And you are a very polite driver. Your car is great.
Thank you. I clean the windows every morning at 6.
That is very early. You work very hard, too.
I like the fresh air. The city is quiet and peaceful.
I am standing on the sidewalk now. I am ready.
Have a wonderful day at school. I hope it is easy.
Thank you. I will see you another time, Leo.
Goodbye, Claire. Walk safe to the main gate.
I will. The school entrance is very close now.
I am driving away now. Have a good history lesson.
Thank you. I am going to the classroom now.
Goodbye for now. I am going to the station.
Claire, wait. Please do not go inside the school yet.
Leo, why are you back? Is there a problem?
Look at the back seat. I found this pink object.
Oh no. Is that my small pink wallet?
Yes, it is. It was on the floor under the seat.
I am so silly. I put it down for a moment.
Do not worry. I saw it at the red light.
You are so honest. You came back very fast.
I did not want you to be sad. Money is important.
My ID card is inside too. I need it for school.
I am stopping the car. Please take your wallet now.
I am so happy. You are a very kind man, Leo.
It is my pleasure. I am a very honest person.
I was starting to look for it in my jacket.
I am glad I found it. It is a lucky morning.
Can I check the inside? I want to be sure.
Of course. Please check all your cards and cash.
Everything is here. My credit card is safe.
That is perfect. No more stress for you today.
How can I thank you? You are my hero today.
You do not need to thank me. It is my job.
Most people do not come back. They keep the money.
I am not like that. I am a professional driver.
I can see that. You are a very good example.
Now you can have a happy day with your students.
I will tell them about the honest taxi driver.
That is a good story. Honesty is a great lesson.
I will never forget your help. You are amazing.
I am just Leo, a simple man with a taxi.
A simple man with a very big heart.
Leo, please stay for a minute. I have a question.
Yes, Claire? What is your question?
Do you lose things in your car often?
Yes, sometimes. People forget phones and umbrellas.
Do you always return them? That is a lot of work.
Yes, I do. It makes me feel good.
I am looking at my cards now. Everything is correct.
I'm glad. The wallet looks very new.
It was a gift from my mother. It is special.
Then it is even better that I found it.
I was very lucky that you were my driver.
And I am lucky to have a nice passenger.
I am putting the wallet in my bag now.
Is it safe there? Please close the zipper.
Yes, it is closed. I am being very careful.
Good. We do not want a second problem today.
You are right. One surprise is enough for me.
Do you have your school keys too?
Yes, I am holding them in my hand.
You are ready for work now. Go inside.
Wait, I want to show you something.
What is it? Is it a photo of your school?
No, it is a small book of my students' drawings.
They are very colorful. The children are very creative.
They are. I am very proud of them.
You are a very dedicated teacher, Claire.
Thank you, Leo. I like my life here.
I like my life too. The road is my office.
I must go. The class starts in 3 minutes.
Go now. I will see you again soon.
Leo, look, I have this for you.
No, Claire, you do not need to give me money.
It is not money, it is a gift for your help.
A gift? What is inside this gold paper?
It is a large bar of Swiss chocolates. It is delicious.
Oh, Swiss chocolate. That is very high quality.
I bought it this morning for my lunch.
My daughter will love this. Her name is Mia.
How old is Mia? Does she go to school?
She is 7 years old. She is in 2nd grade.
That is a wonderful age. They learn many things.
Yes, she likes to read. She has many stories.
I am a teacher. I can help her with books.
That is very kind. You are a sweet person.
It is a thank you for my pink wallet.
I accept the chocolate. Thank you very much, Claire.
I am happy to share it with your daughter.
Mia will be very happy tonight. She loves sweets.
Does she have a favorite kind of chocolate?
She likes milk chocolate with nuts. This is perfect.
This one has many nuts. It is very tasty.
You are very thoughtful. You think of everyone.
I try to be kind. Kindness is very important.
I agree. The world needs more people like you.
And more people like you, Leo. You are honest.
We are a good team. We are friends now.
Yes, we are. I'm going to class now.
Have a great day. I will see you soon.
Enjoy the chocolate. Goodbye for now, Leo.
Goodbye, Claire. Have a safe day at school.
Hello, Claire. I am back at the gate.
Leo, what a surprise. Are you waiting for me?
Yes, I am. I thought you might need a ride.
That is very nice. I have heavy bags today.
I am opening the door. Please come inside.
Thank you. It was a long day with the kids.
You look tired. Was the lesson very difficult?
No, it was good, but 25 children are loud.
I can imagine that. My daughter is loud too.
Did Mia like the chocolate? Did she eat it?
She loved it. She said thank you to you.
I am so happy. It was a small gift.
It was a big gift for us. We shared it.
That is sweet. Sharing makes the chocolate better.
You are right. So, are you going home now?
Yes, please. My house is on Green Street.
I know that street. It has many old trees.
It is a quiet area. I like it there.
Do you live alone or with your family?
I live alone. My parents live in another city.
I see. Do you visit them every weekend?
No, only once a month. The trip is long.
I understand. Well, today you have a friend here.
Yes, I have a friend with a yellow taxi.
I am driving slowly. You can rest now.
The music is very nice. Is it a piano?
Yes, it is. It helps me to stay calm.
I like it too. It is very peaceful.
We are almost at your house. I see it.
Perfect. I am ready to have some tea.
We are at your house. This is it.
Thank you, Leo. It was a comfortable ride.
Claire, I have an idea. Can I be your driver?
What do you mean? Every day? Every morning?
Yes, every morning at 8 a.m. I am here.
That is a wonderful idea. I am always late.
I am never late. I am very punctual.
How much is the price for a regular ride?
I can give you a special price, $8.
That is very helpful. I'm just a teacher.
I want to help you. You are a friend.
Thank you, Leo. I accept. It is a deal.
Great. I will be here on Monday at 8.
I will have my coffee and books ready.
I will have my music and a clean car.
I feel very safe with you. You are honest.
And I feel happy with you. You are kind.
I will tell the other teachers about you.
That is very nice. I like more passengers.
That you are my favorite, do not forget.
I will not forget. You are my favorite teacher.
I am taking my bags now. They are heavy.
Please, let me help. I am a strong man.
Thank you. Put them near the front door.
Here they are. Now you can go and rest.
I will. Have a good night with Mia.
Thank you, Claire.
Have a very peaceful evening.
Goodbye for now. I am closing the gate.
Goodbye. I am driving away. See you Monday.
See you on Monday morning. I will be ready.